Hello friends, today in this video I will just quickly discuss how to get AM or PM from a date in SQL Server. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll just navigate to my SQL Server Management Studio where I have written all the queries with each method and we will discuss further on that. And before that, in this video tutorial, we are going to discuss three simple approaches, guys. The first approach will be using the convert function with the style quotes, and the second approach will be using format function that will work next to SQL Server 2012 plus versions. That means 2012 or greater version, it will work. And the third and the final approach will be custom functions and advanced techniques. Okay. Now, directly let's move to the SQL Server Management Studio, where I have already written the scripts. Because if I start writing the script in the video, it will take unnecessarily more time and the video will be lengthy, right? So I have already written those queries. I will execute those queries and show it to you the output and all. Okay. Now let me go there. So you can able to see this is the first method. Let me just zoom in little bit so that it will be clearly visible for you. You can able to see it here. This is the method one, guys. This is method one using the convert function with style codes. Okay, and the first example is you can able to see it here. Basic AMPM extraction using the convert with style code 100. So here the syntax is select convert function worker 20 with the get date. Okay, we are passing the get date means the current date, right? Along with the style code 100. Okay, as date time with AM or PM. If I'll execute this, so you can able to see now it is October 30th, 2025 and 10:44 is the time which is a AM. So we got the expected output here. What is working is convert function along with the style code 100. Okay, ensure to specify like this. So the second example is extracting only time with AM PM using the style code 100. So what we are doing here, select right function we are using, converting again varchar to get date is the current date, 100 is the style code, and this is the 7 as time with AM or PM, right? So if I will execute this, you can able to see it is showing only the time to me, that is 10:43 AM, right? Which is the expected output, guys. Now moving back to the next example, where what we are doing, we are just getting it from a real time example where we are again using the same thing, right? Instead of get date, we are using the start time. Okay, and this is 100 is the style code, 2 as a AMPM underscore indicator from shift schedule, right? So this is giving me error because the database chosen here is wrong. I will select the best database. You're able to see the error is gone now. So I will just execute the same thing just to show you how it is working on the real time, right? So if I'll execute this, you can able to see it is showing me AM. Okay. Now here just I have a table called heap schedule, right? Where we are trying to take the start time which is AM or PM, right? So it given me the expected output. Now moving back to the method 2, where as I told you we can use also format function which will work SQL Server 2012 version onwards, right? So here is the syntax, guys, how it is going to work. Select format get date. Get date is nothing but the current date, and this is the format how the the format of time, not date. It will display the time with AM or PM, right? So if I'll execute this, you're able to see it is showing me 10:45 AM, which is expected output. Now it is 10:45 morning, right? And here this is only works for the time thing. Now it is the next example is with full date with AM or PM, right? Date and time basically with the format function again. So select format function, get date is the current date, and this is the date and time format, guys, as full date and time whether it is AM or PM. If I'll execute this, can able to see it is showing me 10:30 2025 10:46 a.m., right, which is expected today date with the current time, right? So now coming to the method 3, which is nothing but the custom functions and advanced techniques. So what we are trying to do here is we are creating a custom function which will return the date and time, whether it is AM or PM. Again, we are using the same write and the convert function, right? As I told you before, and here we are using the style code 100, right? So here we are telling create function. This is the function name, guys, which will take the parameter as date time. I mean at the date time. This is the value of the variable, and then date time as a type, date time which will return varchar 2 as begin. This is the return statement as I told you. Okay, so this is one function. If I'll execute this, you can able to see command completed successfully. You can then call these functions from anywhere else wherever you want, right? Now this is another function, another way to create a custom function. This is a little advanced, which contains the if else statement. Here what we are trying to tell is create function. This is the function name. Again, the same parameter date time uh, variable, and then this is date time, then show seconds. This is also another variable, and bit equal to 0 returns worker 15. Begin declare result as worker 15. Here, what we are trying to tell is if show second equal to 1, result should be format date time. In this way, the time should be this is the time format, and else set the result format as date time. This is the variable that we are passing. Then here we are telling that the time should be in this format. Then return the result, right, as worker 15, right? So this is one more function. If I will make it one and execute it, and able to see the function will get created successfully. You can able to see command completed successfully, and you can call this function based on your requirement from wherever you want, right? So basically these are the all the approaches, guys, you can utilize to retrieve the date and time value, whether it is a AM or PM. So I have also written an article with the same topic. That article link also I am going to post it in the video description. You can just go through that article once if you want to use this scripts and all, right? So that's it, guys. So that's it for today, guys. I thought to quickly show you how to get AM or PM from a date in SQL Server, and these are the three simple approaches you can utilize to do that. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you found this video little helpful for you, kindly subscribe to our channel to support us so that you'll get lots of free SQL Server tips, Azure tips, Google Docs tips, Google Drive tips, and many more. Thanks a lot, guys, and have a nice day. Bye bye.